Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are having trouble with the Vizio Airplay not working, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this problem. So watch the video till the end. Make sure you have an Apple devices that supporting AirPlay for your specific Vizio TV models before getting started troubleshooting. First step, check for updates. Make sure your Vizio TV smart card OS is up to date. To do, go to the menu, then system and check for updates. Also update your Apple devices OS. On iPhone, go to the setting, then general software updates. On Mac, click on the Apple menu, then system and preference and updates software. After doing updates, check if the error persists, then follow the next. In second step, test network connectivity. Make sure both your Vizio TV and Apple devices are connected to the same stable network. If there is any problem in the network, then correct it first, then check the error. If it is also not working, then try next. In the third step, enable AirPlay on your Vizio TV. Navigate to the extract menu and select AirPlay. Make sure a toggle button is set to on. If it is already on, then try to the next solution. Reset pair devices on your TV. Go to the smart cards home screen using the home button on your remote. Navigate to the menu, then extracts and AirPlay and HomeKit setting. Reset paired devices. After the reset AirPlay not working, performing the last solution factory reset. To do, press the menu button on your Vizio TV remote, select system, then go to reset. Then go to reset and admin, then reset TV to factory reset default. Use the default code 0000 if prompted. Alternatively, perform a factory reset using the TV's button. Hold down the low and source button for 10 seconds, then hold the input button for another 10 seconds. After performing these steps, attempt to use AirPlay again. If the issue is persist, considering connecting Vizio support for the further assistance. I hope this video is useful for you and try to fix the problem. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.